Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be in Varanasi today to hold a big meeting with the Mauritius Prime Minister. Let's get you more details on that. Now, big diplomatic news. Prime Minister of Mauritius, Naveen Chandran Ramagoolam, has arrived in the holy city of Varanasi for a 3-day visit. At the airport, he was welcomed by local residents, BJP workers and government officials. In fact, the visiting dignitary was received with grand cultural performances and vibrant displays of hospitality. Remember, Ramagoolam is set to hold bilateral talks with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Hotel Taj today. This meeting, taking place in Prime Minister Modi's parliamentary constituency, is being seen as a symbolic gesture of cultural and spiritual diplomacy. Now, a special cruise on the Ganga, a visit to revered Kashi Vishwanath Temple and also the breathtaking Ganga Aarti is going to be part of this visit. Now, this visit essentially aims at adding spiritual depth to the diplomatic tour of the Mauritius Prime Minister. When we talk about the bilateral, both leaders are expected to discuss strengthening cultural and economic ties between India and Mauritius. In fact, while Prime Minister Ramagoolam will head to Ayodhya after the meeting, Prime Minister Modi will be travelling to Dehradun. This is where he will undertake an aerial survey of the flood-affected areas in Uttarakhand. Remember, even before Prime Minister Modi travelled to the flood-hit areas of Punjab and Himachal, now he's all set to take the visit to Uttarakhand as well after meeting Mauritius Prime Minister in Varanasi. We're getting you visuals of the warm reception Mauritius Prime Minister received at the airport. Remember, he's on a 3-day visit to Varanasi. You can see how at the airport he was welcomed by the local residents, BJP workers and government officials. In fact, the visiting dignitary was received with grand cultural performances and a vibrant display of hospitality. Remember, he's all set to hold bilateral talks with the Indian Prime Minister today at Hotel Taj. The meeting taking place in Prime Minister Modi's constituency is being seen as a symbolic gesture of cultural and spiritual diplomacy. Now, a special cruise on Ganga, a visit to revered Kashi Vishwanath Temple and a breathtaking Ganga Aarti. So, all of this is a part of his visit to Varanasi. And remember, this is only going to add spiritual depth to the diplomatic tour. It's a 3-day visit for the Mauritius Prime Minister. Now, when we talk about the bilateral meet, both the leaders are expected to discuss strengthening economic and cultural ties between the two countries.